My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and I'm going to walk you through a 2024 Scout 215 Dorado. This boat does come with a Scout branded Phoenix trailer, tandem axle. I'm walking back to the transom. There's a nice boarding step on the port side, and another step on the starboard side with a built-in swim ladder. And this boat's powered by Mercury 200 horsepower with digital throttle and shift. Step on board, you see an aft-facing seat on the starboard side, fold-out seat, and a lounge seat on the port side, and then two bucket seats up at the helm. What's nice about this seat is it folds away, so if you do want to do some fishing, there's some built-in rod holders, and the transom, or it just opens up the space. And there is a bait well, and then directly underneath this seat is access to the bilge, batteries, pumps. And as you can see, typical Scout fashion, everything is all finished fiberglass, so there's no exposed fiberglass. It's all gel coated. Up at the helm you have Garmin, GPS, Fusion radio, as I mentioned, the electric shift, and C-Start trim tabs. The boat is equipped with the battery charger, as you can see the cord running through. Porta potty head, also doubles as storage. And the nice deep seating up in the bow. It's great for kids or people to just, you feel protected when you're up here as the boat's running. And an anchor locker. And then the boat does also have a nice finished frameless windshield with a good center walk-through. And it also does come with the bimini top, which is folded away at the moment. This boat is located at our facility in Marblehead, Ohio. Please feel free to reach out to myself or to any of your local SkipperBud's sales representatives.